2.4 now, and this is the division of integers. Division of integers is simple, as we were dividing the previous values, previous numbers, same way you will divide the numbers in integers also. See that, evaluate each of the following. A part, minus 64 divided by minus 8. How you will write? Minus 64 upon minus 8. If both the numbers will have minus, they will cancel. 8 8 is 64. What it will come? Plus 6. Maybe you have understood. Okay. Then one more I am taking B part. That is minus 45 divided by 9. How you will do? Minus 45 upon 9 plus 9. So in this way, sign will plus or minus. What will come? Obviously, minus value will come. Okay, 9 5 ja 45. So what will be your result? Minus 5. Okay, if both the numbers means numerator and denominator will have the opposite sign. Okay, so for plus or minus, minus value will come. If both the numerator and denominator having same sign, then means if both are plus, then positive result will come. If both are negative, then also positive result will come. You have seen just now in a previous question. And if both the numbers having opposite sign, means one plus and one negative, so always then always negative value will come as a result. Okay, one more part I am doing, and then you will proceed rest of the part yourself. Okay, and just rough it, then we will proceed. See it here. Children are always confused in E part. 0 divided by minus 12. See that. 0 upon minus 12. Okay. If any number 0 will be divided by any number, always it will come 0 as a result. There is no doubt whether it will be positive value or negative value. If it will be positive value also, then also 0 will come, and if it will be negative value, then also 0 will come. Okay, and one more part I am doing, that is I am taking G part. Okay, see that, minus 30 plus 5. Okay, minus 30 plus 5 divided by minus 20 plus minus 5. Are you getting? First of all, you will solve these values with the integer property. See that, minus 30 plus 5. Okay, write it as divided by minus 20 plus into minus is equal to minus, so minus 5. Now write here two opposite sign numbers. Two opposite sign numbers are always subtracted. Which greater number sign. Okay, now subtract that. 30 minus 5, 25. What sign greater number having? Minus. Take the sign of division in between of them. Now here two same sign numbers. Two same sign number is equal to addition. Is equal to addition. Addition with their sign. With their sign. Add them. 20 plus 5, 25. What sign they are having? Minus. Okay. Now see that. Right. Now come to the final answer. So what you got? Minus 25 divided by minus 25. It means minus 25 upon minus 25. Minus and minus will become 10. 25 1 is 25. So what will be your answer? 1. So in this way you can complete the rest of the part of this question. Question number 1. Question number 2. You have to give a divided by, if a and b, a divided by always gives minus 2. 2 part I will do, 3 part you will perform yourself. You have to select the number, the value of a and b such that if you will divide them you will get minus 2. See that. I am taking a as 10 and b as minus 5. Okay, means whether you take the numerator positive then denominator negative, or if you are taking denominator negative then numerator you have to take positive. See that now. Okay, I am dividing 10 divided by minus 5. What it will be? 10 upon minus 5. Okay, 5 2 are 10. What I told you, plus or minus always it will give minus. So minus 2 will come. Okay, one more part I am taking. And a is equal to 24 minus 24 and b is equal to 12 I am taking. Okay, so minus 24 divided by 12. So what will come? Minus 24 upon 12. 12 2 ja 24. What will come? Minus 2. So in this way you can take the different values and you will get, means the values you have to select like that, you will get minus 2 as your answer. As I have performed, rest of the part you just do yourself. Okay. अब कितने मिनट का हो गया? See that question number 3 now. Divide 125 by minus 5. 125 divided by minus 5. 525 will come as answer. One is positive and one is negative. What result will come? Minus 2. Just so simple beta. Nothing is there in these questions. So no problem. No one should have any problem. Children are having problem in 3 parts that I am performing myself. Okay. 23 divided by 0. What I told you, if 0 will be in numerator, if 0 will be numerator, at that time 0 will it will be divided by any number, it will get you will get 0. But if 23 upon 0, it will be not defined. It will be not defined. You cannot define it. So it will be not defined. And one more doubtful part I am doing, that is D part. All the children are always doing wrong this part. Minus 9999. Okay. Divide by 99. Okay. And what the children are writing? They are writing always answer 11. Minus 11. That is wrong. Okay. See how you will perform this part. See here on the blackboard. Minus 9999 divided by 99. Okay. I am performing here so that your concept will be clear. Okay. 99 divided by 9999. First make division in this 99. 99 1 ja 99. Okay. Now here 0 and 0. Bring 1 9 here. Always one numbers we are bringing down. So 99 cannot divide 9 because 9 is not coming in the table of 99. So division is not possible. So what you will put here? 0. Now bring another 9. 91 here. So what answer you will get? Minus, because one is positive and another is negative. So minus 101 will be your answer. So perform in this way rest of the part of this question. Okay.